this video to provide a detailed explanation of everything about this property, like amenities, room categorization, facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location and the kitchens and bathrooms are also provided here. See more than 1,000 of reviews are also available on Booking.com. Review rating is 8.7. Is very excellent. You can see the facilities like room size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and details, etc. In this resort, 10 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. Location of the hotel is attractive and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this hotel is 2 p.m. and check-out time of this resort is 11 a.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this hotel along with different plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below.